Hey friends, Pete Nelson here in the midst of our quarantine. Got my son Henry on the camera over here. Thanks for joining me. This is the tour of TreeHouse Point that I promised you, and I'm excited to have you here. I hope you're all feeling well, getting through all this. It's really been an interesting time, and I'm just grateful that you're here so I can show you what we've been up to for the last 15 years, about. Follow me, I'm gonna take you into the lodge. I first knocked on this door around Thanksgiving of 2005, so not quite 15 years ago. I was greeted by the lovely couple, the Hartmans, that had started to turn this, what was a mechanic's shop, into a home. And so they saw the lines of this to become a really warm home, and they kind of ran out of steam when I first knocked on the door. But let me give you a quick tour. This is sort of the lounge area. There's a lot of places to just kind of sit back and read and play cards and games and have a fire. Really a sweet spot, nice and quiet. The raging river is out this window to the left. This is where people have their breakfast. Big long cedar table that I made, boy, yeah, about 15 years ago. Here's the kitchen. A lot of magic happens in here. We get rave reviews on our breakfasts here. Really a remarkable group of people that help us out. They lay the breakfast out here. There's 3 rooms upstairs, but they're just regular rooms. I mean, they're nice, but they're not in trees. So let me take you out to the real essence of the place, the nature of TreeHouse Point. Follow me. I've actually planted a map here so I could orient you on exactly where we are. I drew this map some time ago, maybe 2006 or so. We just walked through the inn at TreeHouse Point, as I called it then, excuse me. The Preston Fall City Road is what runs out in front of the property, goes to I-90, which is about 2 miles down the road. The raging river is going in the direction that I'm showing with my finger. Beautiful river, has a wonderful salmon run. And then we've got the pond room, which I was calling Treehouse Headquarters, the Temple of the Blue Moon. There's 6 tree houses, and I'll take you throughout. But lots of fun things to see. The new spruce that's kind of like a sunken ship over on the side of the river. Ooh, the sunken ship fir right here. The springboard stump. Old guy, the biggest fir on the property that now has the burl treehouse in its branches. Oh, and the vine maple tunnel. The pinch, a surf spot that's no longer there because rivers change. But why don't you come with me? I'll take you down to the lower lawn where it's just a beautiful place that you can really get a sense of what TreeHouse Point is all about. But watch your step here and follow me. Oh, I wish you could breathe in this beautiful oxygen. It's really something. Oh. Western red cedar trees. These are these predominant trees in the area. Doug fir, western red cedar. Look at the size of them. Look. I'll give you a gorgeous trees. Love these guys. We also cut them down and use them extensively throughout our tree houses because they have really wonderful properties that keeps the wood in good shape when it's used on exterior applications like siding or decking, window trim, all of that. A magic tree. Let me take you this way too. This is fun, and we'll end the tour. We'll end the tour over here. It's just kind of a sacred spot that I've known about for years. I'll share it with you now. Yeah. We've got an overarching maple here. Another maple here. They grow out of this hillside. All these ferns, greenery. Raging river behind, just endless sound of calm, and yet now and then it rages too. It really does. Well, thanks for coming out today. Appreciate you joining me on this tour. I hope you're having a nice Friday and that you're looking forward to your weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I promise to continue the tour soon. And I've been dangling Douglas out there, so Douglas will be part of this too. So, all right, be well.